In 1932, Australia declared war. Not on another nation. On birds. Thousands of emus invaded Western Australia. Farmers were desperate. Crops were being destroyed. They called for help. The government sent soldiers. With machine guns. Major GPW Meredith led the charge. 2 machine guns. 10,000 rounds of ammo. The plan seemed simple. Eradicate the emus. But these weren't ordinary birds. They were fast. They were cunning. They fought back. The first engagements were a disaster. Emus scattered. They dodged bullets. Formed small, organized groups. The soldiers struggled. Machine guns jammed. Farmers watched in disbelief. The birds were winning. After weeks of futility, the military withdrew. Humiliated, the Great Emu War was a catastrophic failure. Barely 1,000 emus were eliminated. The birds had outsmarted armed forces. Major Meredith famously stated, "If we had a military division with the bullet-carrying capacity of these birds, it would face any army in the world." Yes, this actually happened.